Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be replacing, or more doing some finishing touches on my flash modded iPod photo. And I've put 256 gigabytes onto this iPod. And reason why is because I picked up an SD card for cheap, 30 bucks. Or it was a PNY, microSD, and I had installed some adapters and got the flash mod to work. First go, by the way. I was really surprised. I've only ever seen people get 128 gigabytes out of this. And yeah, the reason why I'm going to be replacing this is because, if you can see here, the screen is quite cloudy. I had tried to restore this with sandpaper and just buffing out the scratches, but it made the display really cloudy, if you can tell from here. I have a new display, or front plate over here from Elite Obsolete, and it looks like this. So doesn't have any cloudiness on it. The reason why I'm also going inside is because I had replaced the battery, or tried to replace the battery while I was flash modding this guy. And the new battery I got, it was an instant battery from Amazon, and I had did the flash mod and battery replacement, charged it up. And I had I tried doing some calibration with it by just letting it discharge. It lasted about 4.5 hours with the backlight turned on. And for some reason, after that first initial charge and discharge for calibration purposes, it could not take any sort of charge at all. The battery meter would just be red all the time, even after leaving it for charging overnight and opening it up again and redoing any battery connections. So, safe to say that battery is a complete dud. Bought this one again from Elite Obsolete. Hopefully this one's much better. I really doubt this is 1200 milliamp hour, but either way, it's a new battery, so let's hope it'll last much longer. Doing some testing on the old battery in this, it lasted about 4 hours, so not too bad for an old used battery. And one more thing I'd like to add is I bought this for about 20 bucks on eBay, free shipping, and it was supposedly 4 parts, but it turned out the hard drive was working fine after plugging it in, and it looks like nothing else was wrong with it, so I guess I was lucky there. And yeah, I think that'll wrap it for the introduction of this video. This video is not a tutorial by any means, by the way. It's going to be a time-lapse of the whole process. And yeah, I think you guys will enjoy it. Without further ado, let's get it started. I don't think I can snap in this, but let's try. is clicked up and ready to go. It's a little violent. Dang. Alright. Oh. Well, I'm gonna deal with that off camera. But let's try it, turn it on. Well, why don't you look at that? Alright. Nice. Looks much more vibrant in this new one. Aside from the plastic wrap that I left in there. Whoops. Gonna have to deal with that off camera, as I said. But yeah, thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, stay tuned for some more iPod videos. I got another one coming up real soon. Alright, take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.